Root of unity. Let's start with cube roots of unity. Let's assume x is cube root of unity, so we can write x is equal to 1 raised to power 1 by 3. So let's solve it. Okay, we can take cube from both sides, so it will be 1 cube. So we can write it like x cube is equal to, right hand side is equal to 1. We can write it x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we can write it x cube minus 1 cube, because 1 cube is equal to 1, so no difference is equal to 0. Now we know a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we can write this one as x minus 1 into x square plus x into 1 plus 1 square. So we can write it x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1, and we know it is equal to 0. So if x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, what does it mean? It means either x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. Now we will solve the other part. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. We can use here quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac का square root divided by 2a. And here in this equation we have a here. A is 1. Then we have b here. B is also 1, and c is also 1. So let's put these figures in quadratic equation. So we will have a value of x. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 square root divided by 2 into 1. So we can write it x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 square root divided by 2. Now if we further solve, we can write it x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 3 square root divided by 2. So what we can do here, we can write x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3, we can write minus 1 into 3 and square root divided by 2. We already know minus 1, this minus 1 we can write as this I is an imaginary number, so iota, we also call it iota. I will use the word iota. Iota square is equal to -1. This we already know. Or we can write it iota is equal to -1 square root, means this part. So what we can do here, we can write x is equal to -1 plus minus iota square into 3 square root and divided by 2. So we will continue on next page. So x is equal to -1 plus minus, we will write again iota square, you can write, and then 3 square root divided by 2. So it is x equal to -1 plus minus this iota square, we can take it out from square root, so we can write iota and then square root 3 divided by 2. So we have two values of x. One is -1 plus iota 3 square root divided by 2. The other one -1 minus I square root 3 divided by 2. And on our page 1, I think we had this one, x is equal to 1. So we have another value, x is equal to 1. So this is our answer, and these are cube roots of unity.